to rehearse the Valkyrie with the city opera there. Richard Wagner. Ah, now there is music. There is art. There is us.
Goodbye, cherubs. Oh, Nicholas, I do wish that you would smile more while you're on stage. Someone might actually think you don't like performing.
I don't.
You don't what?
I don't like performing. And that bird on your hat isn't right. Partridges in America are dark gray. Now,
Oh, you have to excuse Nicholas. He does spend a lot of time reading about animals. I think sometimes he'd rather be working in a zoo than on stage.
This stage is up in a zoo. Well, come, Fräulein. Come, all. Und it's Dusseldorf. Hans.
It's Henry, Victor.
Victor, I cannot have a gray bird on my head. It will clash with all of my costumes.
Yeah.
You know, I am really looking forward to performing on our own for a while. 4 tickets to steady work.